Hey guys, let's fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type here CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator. You need to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. Here we have to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Now type in netsh winsock reset space catalog and hit enter. Then type in netsh intip reset log.txt. Then type in ipconfig space slash release. Then type in ipconfig space slash renew and hit enter. Okay, we need to wait for a few seconds to complete the process, then we will move to the next command. Okay, now type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter, and simply type exit to close the command prompt window. Now right click on the start icon, go to device manager, then find out the network adapters. So here it is, just select it and click on the icon, expand this, right click on the particular internet connection device, select properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first option, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one, and simply you can also just go to control panel, open it, then click on network and internet. Before that we have to set view by as category. If you selected large icons, then change it to category, then click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, then go to your internet connection, select properties, select IPv4 internet protocol version 4, then open its properties, and we have to set these check this option, use the following DNS server address and add here 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. now click on OK and close all windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.